looks like you were gonna get your hair, Ileana. I was nervous about your hair.
So it's the Aura Lumen 2021 Odyssey. The journey begins now. The mission: to complete your crew's headquarters by utilizing the theme and products provided. This should include a logo representing your core skill sets and a design concept for your lobby to match with a paired factory. You will have 2 weeks to complete your mission. Your crew, energy and sustainability. Your partner, data lighting.
Yay. Cool.
As ambassadors of energy and sustainability.
Welcome to Dado. I'm Dave. Congratulations on accepting the 2121 Lunar Challenge. We look forward to working with you.
Great Scott, let's go!
Roger that. Roger that.
Great Scott!
Scott.
Great Scott!
Okay, we got some confetti. This is. Oh, we have small pictures. Nice.
Yeah, these are like, I was gonna say, where's our fixtures thick as
Just there
drywall?
to feed your creativity.
Oh, look
and-
at that.
Oh, is that
Oh,
astronaut
sorry.
ice cream?
I will send
Yes.
them to you.
Thank you. Yeah.
We need.
Dang, awesome. This is too fun, you guys.
We here at
Good.
Dado Lighting are excited to be working with you